In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your YouTube channel to your Wix website. We're going to connect your YouTube channel directly inside Wix, so your public videos can appear neatly on your site. This is a great way to keep your website updated with your latest content without needing to upload each video manually. To get started, go to YouTube and open your channel's homepage. Once you are there, copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. This link is what Wix will use to pull in your public videos, so make sure you are copying the correct channel page before moving on. Next, open your website in the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click Add Elements, which is the plus icon. This section contains all the items you can place on your page. Inside Add Elements, choose Video and Music. Then select Wix Video. You'll see a few player layout options, including Grid, Compact, and Classic Video Player. Drag the one you prefer onto your page. The layout you choose mainly affects how your videos are displayed visually, so you can pick the style that best matches your site design. If you are not sure which one to use, don't worry. You can usually adjust the look later. Once the video element has been added to your page, click directly on it. A menu will appear, and from there, click Manage Videos. This will open your Wix dashboard where you'll connect your YouTube content in the dashboard. Go to Channels, look for the New Channel drop-down menu. Hover over it and select YouTube Feed. This tells Wix that you want to create a video channel based on content from YouTube rather than uploading videos manually. Now, paste the YouTube channel URL you copied earlier into the field provided. Then click Connect. Wix will begin syncing your public YouTube videos automatically, depending on your channel and connection speed. This may take a moment, so give it a little time to load. Once the sync is complete, your YouTube videos will be available through the Wix video element on your site. At that point, you can continue adjusting placement and layout inside the editor. So everything fits nicely with the rest of your page. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.